Leslie R. Dick Groves, who was then a colonel. They promoted him to brigadier general. He was just the guy for the job. He's one of the most important figures in the whole atomic bomb story. He was, as a career colonel, career Army officer in the Corps. He had just finished supervising a lot of huge construction projects, building air bases and other facilities for the Army around the country. Also building the Pentagon, the new Pentagon headquarters for the War Department, which went up in record time and was a very big success. So by the middle of September 1942, Groves had these big projects behind him. He was ready for an overseas field assignment, a combat assignment. That's what a career Army officer generally wants, is to lead troops. They're at war, go out there and win the war. But General Somerville called Groves in and said, I have a big job for you. You have to have a big job for you here stateside. Rather than leading troops in the field, you need to head up a big construction project. And Groves wasn't pleased. He was pretty good evidence he was kind of disappointed, reluctant to take this on. He was able to get a promotion to brigadier general, but he wanted a field command. But I think psychologically this is important for Groves. He wanted to win the war. He wanted to be the guy who won the war. And so he was going to make his work on this project a success and make it, he was going to win the war by making the atomic bomb.